Affiliate marketing can be thought of as outsourced marketing, in which you are hiring affiliates who are paid to bring you customers. If they drive visitors to your website, you don't have to pay them. You only pay them if they convert visitors into customers. While you are trying to generate traffic as a marketer, the main goal is to increase the number of customers. If you generate 1 million visitors a month, but the visitors don't equate to more leads or revenue, it's almost useless. This is why the affiliate marketing space is so popular, especially in the web hosting industry, where most of their business is from affiliates. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here's how affiliate marketing works. The affiliate is assigned a tracking URL. This is to track which affiliates are driving your traffic. The affiliate markets your company. Affiliates can promote your company through several different ways. Paid traffic like Google Ads, a YouTube video of the product and link to it with the affiliate ID, email blast, blog posts, reviewing products, etc. The possibilities are endless. When you sign up affiliates, you should also limit how they can promote your product. Customers or leads are acquired. This is when the visitor purchases the product or signs up. The affiliate receives a commission. When the affiliate drives you a customer or lead, you pay them out. Advantages of affiliate marketing. There are a number of advantages to using affiliate marketing, especially for startups. You pay only for results. Affiliates may be better at creating copy and reaching segments. You know your cost per acquisition. This will help you determine if you're actually losing or making money, and you'll almost never lose money. Drawbacks of affiliate marketing. There are also drawbacks such as you don't control the message, lead quality may not be as good, and if mismanaged, your traffic may come from unreputable sources. This could make your brand look bad.